Hey guys, if you got yourself an M1 Air or MacBook Pro laptop like I did, and by the way, an excellent computer, and you are planning on traveling with it, you're gonna need some kind of way to protect it. And so today we're gonna take a closer look at this laptop sleeve by Tomtoc. Alright, so I went ahead and decided to go with this simplistic kind of case, and this is how it comes in. So this is good for the new M1s, 13-inch Pro and the Air. Let's go ahead and open it up. So as you guys can see here, it's a nice material. Now the one I got is actually not black, even though it looks like black basically, but it's like this really interesting dark blue. I'm not even sure if the camera will pick it up or not, but in any case, so we got a little logo here on this edge. Now that's a little nice touch there. So we do have a pocket on the side of it. We'll check that out in a second. Let's look at these tags. So we got the branding, and we also got YKK. So that's the zipper company. So I guess we get quality zippers here. So they got these little tabs here at the end to pull on. Wow, very nice. Smooth zipper. And so what's gonna matter is what's on the inside, and you guys can see this is a really nice texture that's really soft, and they call this the 360 protection because they got padding all the way around on the inside. So it's really cozy in there. Almost makes you want to go in there yourself. So this should protect it very well. So let's go ahead and see how the Air here will fit. And look at that, it's literally a perfect fit, guys. I don't think it gets better than that. And it does not flop in there or anything. Go ahead and zip it up. Yeah, there's no bouncing around or nothing. So as it is usually with laptops, especially the Apple ones, not only do you have dongles, so here I have a little SD card reader and a couple USB plugs. And that's the main ones I really need for now. And also you have your original charger and maybe some other things that you carry around with you and your laptop. And this is where this side pocket comes in. And so the side pocket doesn't have the same kind of felt, but it seems nice overall. So yeah, we can grab our little dongles and put them in there. And also let's see how well the charger will fit in there, because the charger is a little thick. But obviously not an issue. It does fit in there just fine. It does make kind of like a funny bulge a little, but the main thing is that you're able to put stuff in there and keep it all together. But not only that, you know, if you had like an extra hard drive and whatnot else, that'll all easily fit into the sleeve. Let's cut these tags off. And we got this kind of water resistant fabric that they use a lot of like backpacks and commercial style bags and stuff like that. So it does have somewhat weather protection. So let's see how easy it is to get the laptop off. Yeah, and just bend the corners over and pull it out. Yeah, I really like this thing, and definitely all the protection that it has for the laptop. And pulling out the accessories is not too hard either. And this thing does have a little bit of a stretch when you stick your hand in there. You can, you know, pull out what you need. Yeah, so I mean the charger does bulge a little bit, but you know, it's not bad at all. All right guys, so this is the Tomtoc 13-inch M1 compatible Air and Pro sleeve. That's impressively good quality for the price. So this is a pretty small investment to protect your laptop, so I would definitely recommend getting one.